Moment of inertia. To calculate the moment of inertia of a solid body rotating about an axis different from the center of mass axis, we can use parallel axis theory. According to this theory, if d is the perpendicular distance of the axis of rotation from the center of mass, the mi of about this axis is equal to moment of inertia about its center of mass plus the product of mass and square of distance t. Let us apply this theory on a thin rod of uniform cross-section rotating about one of its ends. Since the mass of the rod is uniformly distributed along the length of the rod, the center of mass is exactly at the middle of the rod. Hence, d is equal to 1 by 2. Using the value of d and the moment of inertia about the center of mass, the moment of inertia about this axis is found to be 1/3 the mass into square of the length.